Can you see the colors in there? It's hard to see them, I think, but in these fake clouds. Look at that. Well, it's called Chembo anyway. It's a reflection of the heavy metals from the sun that they're putting in our sky here, it looks to me. Look what we got here. Look at this mess they've made here. Let's take a peek here. There's one up there right now just doing his thing. Let me see if I can get him. There he is. Look at this elephant testicle. Sorry. Look at him just shooting up there, just spewing away. Nobody cares. People are looking at me filming this, of course. They're standing there with their little mask on. How long are people going to wear that? Don't you want to go up to them and ask them and say, how long are you planning on wearing that? Till you just drop dead? Till your lungs are so infected they look like some orange in the refrigerator with mold? Because that's what's happening, people. You keep listening to these news a-holes. Look at this. This is like a millionth one that's gone by today. They're all over the sky. Yeah. It's time to take this serious, guys. This is not a joke. I mean, you look at this sky. I'll let this guy go by, but you look at what they've done here and know that we're breathing this. That isn't clouds, okay? And I think most of you know that. All right, I'm out.